Ever wonder why most photographers never give the raw files? Like, bakit parang bawal? What's in there? Let's break the mystery. Promise, may good reason siya. By the way, this is Ian from the Lullaby Studio, a portrait photographer specializing in newborn and family with over 8 years of experience. First, ano nga ba ang raw file? A raw file is an unedited, unprocessed image straight from the camera. Parang negative siya nung film days. It's not ready for printing, posting, or even viewing. In short, it's not the final photo. It's the before. Here are the 5 reasons why we never give out raw files. Reason number 1, raw files are like uncooked ingredients. Imagine o-order ka ng pasta tapos binigay sa'yo hilaw na noodles, raw garlic, tapos bottle of oil. Yun ang raw file. Walang sauce, walang lasa. And without editing, it looks dull, gray, and unfinished. Reason number 2, it doesn't reflect our finished work. We photographers have a signature style, yung softness, clean tones, and peaceful feel. That's part of our brand. The raw file doesn't show that. It's like judging a cake while it's still battered. Third reason would be raw files are huge and hard to use. Una, not phone friendly, and you need editing software to even open them, like Lightroom or Photoshop. Unless you're a pro editor, hindi mo siya magagamit. Plus, isang file pa lang minsan umaabot ng from 50 to 100 MB na. Our fourth reason, it's our intellectual property. It's not just a file, it is our digital negative. We worked hard to create that image, and just like a painter wouldn't give you the sketch, we don't hand over the raw files. And lastly, we protect your experience. If someone edits our raw file poorly and posts it, people might think kami ang gumawa, and we can't allow your baby's photos to look anything less than magical. And that's our promise. Curious pa rin? Comment below, what if I want the raws? And I'll share what we usually offer instead. For more tips and truths behind the lens, follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Just search for The Lullaby Studio. And DM us if you're planning a newborn or a baby session. Because every frame we deliver isn't just a photo. It's a haven. This is again Ian, and thank you so much for watching.